Hello everyone, it's Aaron and today is February 20th, 2021 and I have received one of the packages that I've been waiting for a long time. I actually booked this last summer in June and it's finally here in 2021. So nearly half a year I booked this. So I'm gonna open this. This is a vinyl player from Sony. This is the PS-LX310 BT, and BT stands for Bluetooth because it has Bluetooth connectivity. And yeah, I'm gonna open it. So the same scissors, not scissors, cutter. I'm gonna. Okay. And side. Okay. Alright. So, on the sides here, there's a thing that shows you how it's all meant to go together and how it's all in the box. There's a few things here. So you got, I guess actually I don't know what this is. I think these are where everything's in the box. So this is like the foam, and this is what's inside. Yeah, okay, you know what, let's just open it first. Alright, so let's open it. We've got, I think this is the lid, or the dust cover. I'm gonna open it like this. It is dust cover. You can see right through it. It's nice. Go over here. Then I think there's something. Yeah. All right. So there's surface squeaks. I think this is like a place where you rest the vinyl on. So yeah, so foam right here. Hide this over here. And this, the cable power connector. So 2-pin. So I might have to get like an adapter for my house. And the vinyl player. So I'm gonna just put this down. And pull this out. There's a few things inside there. I'm not sure whether they'll just yet, but there. Also, one more thing on there. But we'll do this first. So here's the player. A few buttons at the front. We got start, stop, up, down, which I think is for this, but I'm not really sure. We got a few wires coming out. Not sure these are for. Maybe to connect to speakers. At the back, we've got a button to turn it on and a few output things. Oh, you got gain select, so you can choose the gain for this. It's cool. Alright. What is that? Oh, it's this one. Alright, so right here we've got I think this is for the. Yeah, I think it's for the lid. Yeah, I think there's another one here. Okay. Got two. Over here, both can move up. Yeah. So that. Here. Then we've got this circular thing here. It's like a cap or some sort. Not sure. We keep it in here for a while first. Okay. Oh, I guess this is where you put the vinyl on. So cool. I'll open this. It's like a plate. And we've got the instructions here. That's cool. Oh, and we've got like a belt, like a rubber belt here. Cool. Alright, so I think I'm gonna put this all together. So we'll put it there. And see how I can do this. There's one with like non-English instructions, and there's one with English instructions. So, page 10, assembling a turntable. That's right here. Cool. Yeah. Alright, so I need to get this, and I'm going to need to place the platter on the spindle, or on the turntable, and we have to line the red ribbon to this motor pulley, and then we have to peel off the adhesive, so this thing here, and then we have to pull it onto the pulley. So I think this ribbon is connected to the the belt. So put it there. Okay. Oh, went off really easily. Okay, we'll keep this here. Alright, so now wait, did I put it on wrong? Oh no. Did I? I think I did. I put it upside down. Oh gosh. I think I did. Yeah, I did. Looks like I made it fall off. Actually, it could be easy to do this. All I have to do is just put it around, don't I? Yep. Okay. Yep, okay, that was easy. Gonna make sure it's all aligned. Okay. I don't know which side, but I'm just gonna pick this side here. And take the ribbon. Put it on like that. Gonna put it top. And yeah, I think it's working now. Yeah, okay, it's fixed. That's pretty easy. And next thing you have to do is put in the hinges. So I think, oops, you have to put it like this. Very loud. Okay, that's in. And what? The dust cover. Okay. Alright, so dust cover is over here. Oops. So this is going on like so. Oops. Yeah. Alright. Now I think we have to put this on. Next step. Or place the mat for your platter onto the platter. Alright, so this is the mat. Wow. Okay, that was pretty easy. There it is. Looks really nice. And step 5. Do the following operations to set the operating mechanism for the platter and tone arm to its initial state. Remove the string that is holding the tone arm. So this. Press up and down to. Wait. Oh gosh, okay. Press up / down to raise the tone arm. Oh, it does work. That's cool. Okay. And connecting your turntable. So, alright. Next step is to connect these. And to start playing. So, I think I'm going to set this up to that, which is my sound system. It's from Sony as well. It's a speaker system. So I'll try setting that up now. Might want to just clear a few things. But before that, I'm just gonna say a quick goodbye, and I'll be back later. Bye. Alright everyone, so I am back, and this has already been connected to a power source, and I'm going to be trying to play some vinyl. Now, before I do that, I need to show you what I'm going to be playing. This is like one of my favorite albums, Social Cues from Cage the Elephant. I recently unboxed it, so yeah, I'm going to be playing it. And also, my sound system can't be connected by those 2 points, so we're going to be connecting this to Bluetooth, because the Sony sound system can be connected to Bluetooth. So, here's the vinyl. That's nice. Put that on there. And I'm going to be looking at how to connect it to Bluetooth. I'll also show you how to do it. If you're using Bluetooth connection and not connecting to the turntable or any other device, place the audio cable so that its metal tips do not touch each other or any metallic parts. Well, it's not connected to anything, so it's fine. Alright, connect to a Bluetooth function. Alright, when you first connect to your turntable to a playback device that supports Bluetooth. Alright. So I'm going to be turning this. So what do I have to do? Connecting Bluetooth. Alright, so Alright, so they told you to connect to Bluetooth before playing. So this is how you do it. There's entire like 2 pages on how to connect it. Alright, actually no, 1 page, and the rest is just listening to it. Alright, so we're going to have to press and hold the turntable's Bluetooth button for 2 seconds. But before that I have to turn it on. So, okay, so turning it on. Okay, it's on. Is that? Oh, am I not meant to turn it on first? Okay, so where do I have to like? I have no idea how to do this. Alright, so let's press the button first. But it's not on, right? So I wouldn't be able to like. Maybe if I like. Okay, this is really confusing. Oh wait, actually, it notices a device. Maybe that's the turntable. So press and hold your turntables and then release it. The indicator will rapidly flash blue. There's no blue there, so I think I have to turn it on. And then maybe like stop. Alright, so that's how you do it. Now hold this down for 2 seconds 1, 2, then it should rapidly beep. Yeah, so that is turning on its Bluetooth. Now I have to connect it to my phone, or wait, oh, I have to turn, yeah, this thing. Oh, okay, where's the remote? I think Bluetooth pairing request. Oh, it's connecting to my TV. So that is odd. Okay, pair with this. Okay, so that means input doesn't support. What does that do? Or whatever. Okay, so I don't know if it's paired. Is it paired? It's showing a red light. So okay, according to the instructions. Tip. Is it connected? I don't think it is. But I want to connect it to the sound system. So I need that remote as well. Don't know why it connected. Did my TV just turn on? So it automatically detected I was connecting to my TV, so I'll turn that off. This is going to be connecting, so I'm going to be pulling down the Bluetooth here and the Bluetooth here. So now, hopefully they'd be pairing. They'd be paired. Oh, yeah. They both stopped, so I think we're ready. Now, the page right after Bluetooth is how to start playing, so I'm going to look at that. So I have to place the vinyl record onto the player. So I'm going to take this, hold it from the sides. I don't really know how to handle these. Put it on, like so. And then, second step, use the speed rotary switch knob to select the rotation speed appropriate for the vinyl record, 33 and 45. I have no idea how to do that. Are there like any instructions here? Or do I have to like, I guess, eyeball it? I don't, or just, use my ears or something. I'm gonna, alright, so this size, this goes by inches, right? So, I have to measure this. I don't even know the measurements for this, so. A ruler here, you just pull it down to the inches. This is definitely 12, so I'm gonna set this to 12. And then speed, I'm not sure, I'm gonna go 45 since that's the thing it says there. I'm gonna leave it where it was. Okay. Oh, wait, no. The rotation speed is usually printed on the center label of the vinyl. So, where is it? Is it up here? So I might need some light. Alright, so I can't see it. I'm reading upside down. Crap, I nearly dropped it. Why am I so bad at this? Okay, I can't find the speed here, so I'm just gonna go to, I'm gonna search it up very quickly. So I'll be back. Alright, so I actually did look it up and it turns out it's actually 33 RPM. So we're gonna flick this knob here to 33 and go to step 3, which is 7 or 12 inch. That was a 12. 4. Remove the stylus protective cover. So I'm assuming this is it. Yeah. And then 5. Press the start button. Okay. So on 6, adjust the volume using the audio device. So using this. Okay, these are connected, right? Yep. So here goes. I'm gonna start. It's gonna lift up. Oh. So I think this is Broken Boy. Yeah, okay. So I can't really play this out loud or else I'll get copyright strike and stuff, but I can definitely hear it. And it sounds amazing. And I'm really excited to have a turntable and vinyl. And there's actually more that's gonna arrive, so I can't wait to play. Because I've got one from Dayglow, I got Fuzzy Brain. I got Vampire Weekend by Vampire Weekend. And I've even got Nothing Happens, and yeah, that's it. Nothing Happens, Vampire Weekend, and Fuzzy Brain. So it's really exciting. You can actually hear this make noise over here. It makes like slight bit of noise. I think that's normal, but I'm not really sure. I'll definitely do more research about this. But the first play is really good, and can't wait to listen to all the music that I bought. So that's gonna be all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you liked the video, please like it, and if you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.